Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my channel Eat and Shine. Today we'll be making roasted potatoes with garlic and cilantro. I'm going to be using both purple potatoes and I've chose the kind that are smaller so that I cook them as a whole without dicing, without peeling. It's very simple, very easy, very delicious, makes a great side dish. I love potatoes so much, I eat this as a main dish with some salad alongside. I absolutely love it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to prepare my sauce. Here I have 3 cloves of garlic that are minced. I'm adding some salt. By the way, I share a lot of easy breezy recipes on my YouTube channel. Most of them are very healthy and nutritious. I share a lot of Turkish recipes, Mediterranean recipes. So if you haven't done so, please do subscribe. It would make me so happy. Now I'm adding some dried tarragon. You can use also rosemary, you can use some oregano. I really like tarragon and I think it goes great with potatoes. I'm adding some black pepper, some olive oil, extra virgin. Going to give this a mix. And that's it. It's quite simple really, but it has all the key ingredients that it needs. And now I'm going to drizzle this over the potatoes, make sure they're nicely coated. And it's nearly impossible to make sure that all of your potatoes are in the same size. So the trick for even cooking is you gotta move the big ones to the size of the pan and the smaller ones in the middle, and that will ensure even cooking. You can also add some red pepper flakes. It will give it a kick, it will work nicely. I'm not, because I'm going to be serving these to my son and he won't eat them if they're hot. So let me rub them. And you can use other type of oils for this too. If you don't have extra virgin olive oil, you can make this with avocado. Avocado oil goes really nicely. Okay, that's perfect. Let me get the big ones to the side and the smaller ones. I really like purple potatoes. They're very good for you. They're full of vitamins and minerals and they have a gorgeous, gorgeous color. So I sometimes make a puree with them. Sometimes I combine them with yellow potatoes as this one, new potatoes, and cook them all together. I'll put them in my soups. They're very, very healthy and also very delicious as well. So now I'm going to transfer this to my oven, which has been preheating at 210 Celsius degrees. And I'm going to cook them until they're nice and crispy on the outside. I'm not going to rush this step. I really want them crispy, and then I'll show you how they look like. So I prepare a sauce to go with the potatoes. I like just dipping them in. So for that I have about 4 tablespoons of thick yogurt in front of me. You can use sour cream as well. I'm adding some tahini, 1 clove of garlic, some lemon zest, some honey. You can also do agave or maple syrup, goes great too. Just a hint of sweetness, some salt. I love this sauce recipe. You can serve it with any dish. You can serve it with your salads. It goes great with black rice. Just keep in mind. And it's done. The potatoes have cooked. What I did was I flipped them over halfway through and they cooked for about 30-35 minutes and they're super soft inside, but I can feel that crunch outside. And now I'm going to transfer them to my plate here. And this is also a recipe that you can follow the same steps and do it in your air fryer and it will cook faster. I'm going to chop up a good amount of cilantro. Transferring my sauce here. Olive oil, some more cilantro, so good. The sauce for these potatoes, I think they're amazing. The cilantro gives it such a freshness. You can really feel the tarragon, you can feel the garlic. They're super soft inside. You guys try this recipe out. As you can see, it's super simple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. And how do you like your potatoes? Do leave your comments down below. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.